Are swimming pool pumps dangerous? The truth is that it's an electrically powered device that moves water for your swimming pool. So inherently that's dangerous. Anytime you have water and electricity, that poses the chance for risk. And as a result, if you're asking this question, are pool pumps dangerous, then you should assume that they are, and you should definitely not attempt to work on one yourself. You could have a 220-volt electrical connection. That's definitely dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. And I certainly wouldn't want my kids playing in or around swimming pool equipment like a pool pump. They can get hot. There's, often problems like the electrical cord that supplies power to the pump. Perhaps once upon a time it was done safely, but maybe it broke over time. Somebody hit it with the lawnmower or stepped on the cord and it's no longer waterproof, or maybe even worse, there could be bare conductor exposed. Could even be that rodents chewed through the cord and you didn't notice, and the next person that's in that area could get shocked from it. So you definitely need to respect swimming pool pumps, and if you don't know a lot about water and electricity, you should definitely not be working on them. But for sure, the most dangerous aspect of a pool pump is simply how powerful they are. And it used to be that swimming pool pumps all came with a bright yellow or bright red warning tag, a sticker that said, "This pump is powerful enough to trap, drown, and disembowel you." Now, I don't know about you, but the point at which warning stickers start using the word disembowel is the point that I start paying attention. And so, if you're asking the question, are swimming pool pumps dangerous? Well, they might not come with that warning tag anymore. Perhaps it was just too strongly worded for, civilized society today. But the reality is, those pumps are super dangerous when they're installed improperly, like a single suction point for perhaps a main drain. And if that main drain connects directly to the suction side of the pump, somebody could get trapped. That's called an entrapment hazard. And that is what you have to be worried about with a swimming pool pump. That's how they could be the most dangerous. But for the average pool owner, you shouldn't be working on or around your pump if you don't know about electricity. And for kids, keep them clear of it. It's not a toy to be played with because they are hot. There are moving parts inside, and you don't want anybody to get hurt by touching it. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.